Everywhere he looked, it was AI. Headlines screaming, "Jobs will disappear. Machines are replacing humans." And for a moment, he believed it. He felt small, replaceable, just another employee in a changing world. But fear has two choices. You can let it control you or let it transform you. So he woke up earlier, trained his body, strengthened his mind. Instead of running from AI, he decided to understand it. He learned, he practiced, he adapted, and slowly, fear disappeared. AI was never his enemy. Stagnation was. The future doesn't belong to the strongest. It belongs to the ones who evolve. And now, he's not afraid of the future. He's building it.